Hi, I'm Captain Firecracker. Humans are fantastic at a lot of things. Breathing at 35,000 feet isn't one of them.
Therefore, engineers built all of this, just so you could breathe. But how do we know it's actually doing its job? That's where this little gauge comes in. This isn't showing the airplane's altitude, it's showing the cabin altitude. In other words, it's the altitude your body thinks it's at. This little gauge looks innocent enough, but if that number keeps climbing, you've got a problem. And that problem isn't altitude, it's pressure.
Here's the interesting part. The oxygen up there is still about 21%. It didn't disappear. What changed is the air pressure. Lower pressure means fewer oxygen molecules enter your lungs with every breath. That's exactly why aircraft are pressurized. So the goal isn't to bring sea level pressure into the cabin. That would put far too much stress on the aircraft. Instead, the cabin is maintained at a lower pressure, equivalent to roughly 8,000 feet. We call that cabin altitude.
So, all these valves work together just so you can breathe comfortably at 35,000 feet. But which one do you think is doing most of the heavy lifting? Drop your answer in the comments.
And if you want me to break down every single valve, I'll see you in part 2.